Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make another mod in my Tata Tigor. My car comes with a boot light from the factory itself, but the light output or the light intensity is not that much, so I decided to add the LED light strip to my boot light area. So I got this LED strip which has a two-sided tape at out back from the local electrical store. It costed me around 100 rupees per meter. Now depending upon the type of light you want, output and the intensity, the price may vary from 50-60 rupees per meter up to 100 or 120-150 rupees per meter. I decided to go this simple type. There was another LED strip was also available, but the shopkeeper was not sure whether this will work in our car or not, so I decided to go with this. Along with that, you will need, this is the Swiss knife which is having cutter and all the tools. This is the plier, and to avoid any wire cutting, I ordered this scotch lock scream type connector. I'll show you how it works. So if you want to use or install any accessory in your car, this one will be the best option. So at one end you will see this is type of connector, which is a male connector. So our wire, this one will go with this wire, so this one will become the male connector. And this is the scotch lock. Now here you will see the construction is a bit different. Normally in scotch lock which we saw, it has a wire provision, so two wire can be connected in parallel and connect together. But here you can see we will tap these with our stock wire, power supply wire, like this. And once it is done, we can connect it using like this. Right. So in this way, whenever we want to remove any aftermarket install accessory, we can quickly remove it. So I got it from Amazon. I'll share the link in the description below. So let's get back to the boot and see. Here we will see the intensity for stock bulb provided. You can see it is pretty small and light output is not much, as you can judge. So what I'm going to do, this is the wire, so I'll tap this wire with a connector and install the LED strip over here. So let's do it and I'll show you. So this is how the light output after installing the LED strip. The bolt is fully illuminated. Here you can see the scotch lock type connector which I used. Now the one problem here I'm facing is that these connectors are not properly connected, so that's why even if I touch slightly, it is getting disconnected. So what I'm thinking is these wires are quite thick and hard, so while doing this you either need to cut this wire completely or you can splice it off and connect it. Right now it is working fine for me, so I'll keep it as it is. You can see the intensity against the stock light and LED strip. So let's do the test and I'll see how it looks after it locks. So this is how boot looks, fully illuminated, each and every corner. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any kind of queries or question, just drop your comments in the below comments box. I'll definitely reply. Thank you very much. Good night.